Good morning, everyone. This video is talking about revision exercise 9, question 41. As you can see, it is a question about direct variations, as it stated that A varies directly as r to the power n. Okay, then it is given two pairs of R and A. That means we have to substitute back into the equation later. So let's do the question together. For part A, it asks you to find the value of n. Okay, so our first step is to write down the equation. A equals to k times r to the power n. Stating that where k doesn't equals to 0. Then we have two pairs of values of r and a. Yes. So we have to substitute. 16 equals to k times 2 to the power n, which is the first equation. While when a is 54 and r is 3, so that it gives us the second equations. Okay, so I think most of you can do this part, but later on we don't know what is the next step or how can we deal with it in order to find the n. So I tell you that in this question, we are not using minus. Well, we are using division. 1 divided by 2. Okay, that means it will appear as a fraction. So 16 over 54 equals to k times 2 to the power n over k times 3 to the power n. So as you can see, as the 2k are the constant, so that means we can eliminate it. So similarly, on the left hand side, we just balance it or simplify it with a 2, so it will become 8 over 27. So finally, next step, we get it 8 over 27 equals to 2 to the power n over 3 to the power n. Also, as you can see, both of them are power n. That means we can further simplify the right hand side and then combine them together and get 2 over 3 to the power n and then a over 7 on the left. And finally, we know that n is some kind of values. That means we have to think 8 over 27, can it be a power of 2 over 3? Can it be a certain power of 2 over 3? So, and the result will be when 2 over 3 to the power 3 will equals to 2 over 3 to the power n. Then we know that both of them with a 2 over 3, then that means the power will be the answer. So that n will equals to 3. Okay, and this is part A. Okay, next. Part B, it asks you to express A in terms of R. That means we have to use A again. And then we have to find the value of k. So n is equals to 3. So we can substitute n is equals to 3 into equation 1. So 16 equals to k times 3 to the power, is 2 to the power 3. So k times 8. So that k is equals to 2. Okay, don't forget, after we calculate k, we have to write it back into the equation. A is equals to 2 times r to the power 3. Okay, and this is k and this is n. And both values that we have already found it, we can use it. And finally, again, to part C, again, we have to use the result from part B again. So Okay, by a is equals to 2 times r to the power 3. So for a is equals to 250. First, we divide. We move the 2 to the left hand side. That means we will get 135 is equals to r to the power 3. And finally, how can we solve this r is by the cube root of 135, and the result will be 5. Okay, and this is the end of this video. If you have any question, please watch it again. See you.